thank you so much for being here and watching. So today I just received my February The Box by Fashionsta. So we're going to open that today, and starting this month, especially with beauty subscriptions and some lifestyle ones as well, I'm going to start reviewing the products I received the following month at the end of the video. So I will leave a timestamp down below if you want to hear my thoughts on products I tried from the January box. So this box did come a little late. They did address that issue. The box has been known to be show up later in the month, which I don't necessarily mind since most of my subscription boxes all tend to come like in the same week. So it's kind of nice to get something a little later. But I guess one of their suppliers in China with like the Lunar New Year and the coronavirus, all of that stuff going on, they're unable to get one of their items, and that was the reason. So they're very transparent with that, so that was great. If you don't know what the box is, I will link them down below. Usually they have a wait list, but I was just checking out their website. Looks like they just redid it, and I believe you can join now without waiting. But again, I'm gonna link that down below. And for new subscribers, it is $24.99 per month. It used to be $19.99, and subscribers are locked into that price. So I pay $19.99 a month, so I do pay for this box myself. I honestly do not know what's coming in this box. So usually I see spoilers on Instagram, but I've been really sick this month, so I just haven't really been all up to date on my social media. So it's kind of exciting for me. This is gonna be all new. So let's get this open. You're supposed to get between like $80 and $100 and something worth of value. So yeah, let's see what we got. When I open it up, this is what I see. It looks like the card's on top. Let's take that off. So there is a card right here. It looks like talks about the items inside and gives the total retail value, and it looks like there's variations because it says V1 retail value $152. You guys could see that hopefully. But it doesn't, oh, it does list the pricing on there as well. So looks like we have about 6 items in our box, so that is exciting. And then everything's on a tissue paper. Here's a little sneak peek. Oh, it looks like they put some like decorative rose petals in there, maybe for the month of February. I'm just gonna grab the first thing I see. This is by a brand I've tried before and I actually like, so this is exciting. This is by Z Skin. I have a moisturizer by them. I can't remember where I got it. Maybe it was from a past box. If anyone knows, please remind me. My brain's not working right now, but this is the Z Skin Age Defying Nighttime Eye Cream. I was saying I have a daytime moisturizer that has some like tea tree oil and it's supposed to help with acne, and I do enjoy that and use that from time to time. So this company, Z Skin, is 100% organic, and it says it's affordable and handcrafted. This is a very large eye cream. I'm looking at my viewfinder. It looks like my lighting is a little off. Hopefully it's okay. But let's read a little bit more about this. So this is $24, and it says organic ancient remedy that helps reduce fine lines, crow's feet, dark circles, and helps reduce the signs of aging to restore a youthful appearance to your eyes. It's vegan and cruelty free. Great. And this is huge. Oh my god, I'm getting another spam call. I've been getting spam calls and spam text messages like crazy the past few days. But anyways, this is huge, and this will last a long time, so I'll have to try this out and let you guys know in next month's review. But so far so good, I think. Now we have something by Real Her, I Am the Best Matte Lipstick, and it looks like we have it in mahogany red. So here's the outer packaging. Let's get it open. I've tried some stuff by Real Her before. I actually, when I was sick and I couldn't speak, I was so bored, I was homesick, so I decluttered my lipsticks. I didn't film it, I should have, but I had some Real Her lip products, but they seemed expired, so I don't really remember what I think of the brand. I like the packaging of this lipstick. It's like rose gold on the top and bottom. Let's see what the color's like. Ooh, I think this is pretty. It definitely is mahogany red. Let's do a little swatch. So there is a swatch. I like this kind of red. It's not like too bright. It definitely is red though, and makes a statement. So I will be reviewing this over the next month. You'll probably see me wearing this in a video, but let's learn a little bit more about it. Oh, it looks like we're gonna get 2 things by Real Her in this box, but the Real Her matte lipstick is $18. It says light in weight and high in pigment, a long-lasting formula infused with jojoba seed oil to create a matte finish that does not dry out the lips. It is vegan and cruelty-free. Awesome. So let's just talk about the next Real Her product then. And these are like the little petals I was talking about that are in the box. It's pretty cute. So the Real Her You Are Brilliant Pro Blush Palette. And on here it says certified cruelty-free, talc-free, paraben-free, and gluten-free. I don't know what I was about to say, like glucagon. Like what? Let's get this open. I might need to turn the air down. Usually when I film, I like blast the air because it gets hot with this lighting and it's like 80 degrees out here. How's the weather by you guys? I hope it's getting a little bit warmer now that it's March and the dreaded like February. I know like when I lived in Chicago, February was always the coldest month, or you just got so sick of it, you know. So here is the outer packaging. There is a mirror. Oh, these are pretty. And there are 6 blush shades. Some of these look really pretty. I love how there's a big mirror. You could just like set it up like this. So if you travel with this or something, or just do your makeup at home. And I love how all the shade names are. It's genuine, passionate, confident, compassionate, visionary, and social. So let me do some swatches on my arm and I will show you. And I'm going to crank the air because I can feel a little sweat line coming. It's like the only part I sweat on my face. I feel like the last shade Soda could maybe even be like a bronzer shade on me, but these are really like buttery and pigmented and I'm excited to use them. Let me show you. So here are the swatches. Here's the first row and the second. I think I'm most excited about maybe this one. I don't know, but they all seem very nice and pigmented. Obviously like blush swatches are a little heavier than you would use on your face, but I will definitely be trying these out and I will let you guys know next month during my review. So this blush palette is $38. It says a collection of 6 cheek blushes for every occasion, ranging from delicate corals and refined lavenders to brazen warm cheeks. This airy light texture gives a perfect flush of color to the skin with this mixture of matte and low sheen finishes. It's cruelty-free, paraben, and talc-free. Oh, and there's a little card that just fell out of the box. I just picked it up and it says, we here at Real Her donate a part of our proceeds to nonprofit organizations that help advance the lives of women and girls through scholarship programs, leadership, advocacy, education, and research here in the U.S. I love that. The box also donates every month. They talk about it on the back of the card. If you guys didn't know, they do donate every month to the 1736 Family Crisis Center. I love when my boxes give back because that means my purchases are going towards something good. Now here is the next item. The like black squigglies that come in this box always kind of like get on the items. Let's get that off. We've gotten a facial cleanser by this company before, I believe from this box. I don't know, I could be wrong. I haven't tried it yet just because I am so overloaded with stuff, but this is the Jet Super Hydrating Skincare All-in-One Jet Serum. It's supposed to boost hydration, it's to protect and revitalize the skin, infused with cactus fruit. It shields the skin against environmental stress and replenishes moisture. The serum's instantly absorbed, leaving skin soft, supple, and moisturized. Uses the All-in-One Jet Serum in place of toner and moisturizer. Oh, I'm excited to try this out. Normally I don't have very dry skin, but when I was sick for so long, my skin just got like more dry. I don't know, I tried to stay hydrated, but I could just tell. Ooh, so it's like got a milky substance like to it. It looks milky. So there it is there. Ooh, it's definitely very hydrating. Oh my gosh, a little bit goes a long way. I'm gonna have to put some on my arms. So I'm excited to try this out. I love trying new skincare. And I like to switch it up based on like what my skin seems like it needs, and my skin does need moisture these days. So I'm excited to try this out. Let's learn a little bit more about this. You know, I don't see this on the card, so I'm guessing, oh wait, no I do. Oh, I didn't realize that was the brand. The brand is Double Dare, and this all-in-one jet serum is $38. It says use in place of a toner and moisturizer to effectively boost hydration, protect and revitalize. So it says what we already read on the bottle. So yeah, I'm definitely excited to try this out. And again, I know I'm repetitive, but I'll let you know what I think. I'm excited to start doing more reviews. Ooh, what's this? Is this an eyeshadow palette? This is by Be Bella. It's in this bubble wrap, so they ship things really nice so it arrives okay. But Be Bella Cosmetics Champagne Kisses 1. I like the packaging. This is cute. I don't know if I've ever tried Be Bella. Oh, so this is a sleeve. Let's get it out. So inner packaging matches the outer. Oh, cool. There's a protector and there's a mirror, and wow, this is awesome. So there's like 4 sets of 4 shadows. So we have 16 shadows here, and it looks like they're all like coordinated for like looks, which I love because I don't know about you, but I like when palettes like make sense and like, you know, like you could see a look you'll easily do. So this is really pretty, and this mirror is great. I look a little scary. Yeah, so it looks like we've got a mix of mattes and shimmers. Let me just do a couple swatches. Maybe I can do all of them on my arm. I think I've asked you guys this before. I don't know if swatches help you guys or not, but let me clean off my arm and I will swatch these as well. I have to say the shimmers are swatching amazingly. The mattes are okay. I'll show you in a second. Just have a few more to go. Okay, so I'm not the best swatcher at all, but here is the entire palette. Yeah, I need to work on my swatch game, but all of this was just my finger dipped in and like just one quick swatch. So I think they actually swatched really well. Like that purple swatched pretty good for a matte purple. But these shimmers like swatched incredible. Like I can't wait to try them all on my eyes. And yeah, these look like a lot of shades I would love to use. I'm really into pinks and purples lately and like a neutral look. So this is really exciting. And I honestly like the layout of the palette. Oh, there you guys are. Hi. I know some people like might not like it, but I think they do it in a way that's like not wasting too much space, you know? I kind of like it. I'm really excited to try this. So I love trying new brands. The box always introduces us to some indie brands. So this palette's $18, not bad. It says, get ready to look fancy while sipping on your favorite champagne with these 16 beautiful shades of warm tones and pops of color, and it is cruelty-free. Awesome, I'm excited to use it on my eyes. I'll probably use it tomorrow. And we have one more item in the box, and this is the NCLA Watermelon Natural Lip Scrub. I'm not going to open it right now just because I have so many open lip scrubs. This is $16. Wow, that's expensive for a lip scrub. It says 100% natural lip scrub that cleanses, gently exfoliates, hydrates, and brightens lips. Formulated with beet sugar, cocoa butter, and agave nectar, and sugar to gently exfoliate while vitamins C and E hydrate and brighten the sweetest lips, vegan and cruelty-free. I love the scent of watermelon, so maybe this will be the next one I use. I have like a peppermint scented one in my shower right now. So that was everything. The total value again is $152. I think I'm the most impressed I've been with the box. Like I'm really excited to use this palette. It's like all over me right now, probably all over my clothes. It's like my type of colors and the swatches seem well. I've never tried that brand, so it's really exciting to me. I'm excited to try the serum too because it's coming like the right time. I need to add more hydration in my skincare steps. And like I said, Z-Skin, I like some products of theirs, so I'm excited to try this out. And the blush palette and the lipstick are pretty as well, so I'm excited to play with these, and I will definitely give you guys an update next month. But I think I'm definitely satisfied with this box. My $19.99 I spent, well worth it. We'll see how they all perform though, so stay tuned for that. But now let's get into a quick review of last month's products. So I don't have all the products in front of me because I did do a giveaway in last month's video. I'll link the last month's video down below too if you guys are interested. But I have 2 skincare items and 2 makeup items here I was able to use. So let's start off with this duo mask. It's kind of dirty because I have used it. So this is the Pore Original Pack and the Pore Blackhead Steam Pack. So it's like 2 masks, you do one after another. I honestly only have done this once so far in the past month. I've just been testing out so many things, but now I'm probably gonna do this soon because I remember really liking it. So you wear like the first mask for like 10 to 15 minutes. Let's see, yeah, step 1, hot pore cleansing mask. It's supposed to heat, exfoliate, and get out impurities. And then step 2 is a cool pore tightening mask that cools, tightens, and soothes. You wear each for, well, the first one you wear for 5 to 10 minutes and the second one for 10 to 15 minutes. My skin looked and felt so great after, and I really like this. I'm super excited to keep using it. And it's like a fun little like self-care night, you know, doing 2 masks in a row. I don't know, you could totally tell that it works too. It's great. Another item we got, I have the box here too. It's by Lucy, the Metalit. It's the 4-in-1 Radiance Face Gel. They say this could be a mask, highlighter, moisturizer, and an overnight treatment. And I honestly like this the most for an overnight treatment. There is a safety seal I keep on it so it doesn't like dry up or anything like that. But this is what it looks like. It's silver. And the one I have has like vitamin C and moringa oil in it. And I couldn't really get it to work as a highlight. I only tried like once, but I love this as an overnight treatment. I just put it all over my face. It smells nice, and you don't look like too much like a Tin Man. There's just like a, you know, a little shine, and you wear it to bed anyways. It takes like a second to maybe like soak in. You know, you can like kind of feel it, but I wore it overnight, and I woke up and my skin looked so good and healthy. Like, I'm probably gonna keep using this. I think this is great. I still don't really get it, like I said, like the highlight thing. I've never tried it as like a 20-minute mask, or what does it say? On the box it tells you how to use it. Yeah, you can use it for a 20-minute treatment, rinse or wipe off, or you can moisturize with it, like apply to face or body, or highlight, get a subtle lip from within glow. Yeah, and it says apply before bed and wake up glowing, and you seriously do. I'm really excited that I tried this out, and I'm gonna continue using it maybe like a few times a week, or like when I really feel like my skin needs it. Like lately, my skin's definitely needed some extra love, so I think this stuff is great. And it's really small, but a little bit goes a long way. And then we got 2 makeup products I'm gonna review. And then if I'm not reviewing it, that means I gave it away in the last box. This is by Bang Beauty. I actually am wearing it today. I don't wear it all the time. I don't know if it's like my favorite color. This is their lipstick in Kiss Me. So it's just like a pink lip crayon. And I think it looks pretty good. Where's my mirror? Yeah, it's not like my ideal lip color, but I do like it. It was easy to put on. I'm definitely going to keep it, but yeah, I think maybe if it was like a little bit darker, I don't know, actually right now when I'm looking at it, it kind of matches my eyes a little bit. It's moisturizing, it feels nice, so yeah, I think out of all the Bang Beauty products I have tried, this is probably my favorite, so I'll definitely be keeping this. And then the last thing I'll review, I've already reviewed it probably like multiple times, but I actually had this already, so I gave away the brand new palette. But this is the IBY City Limits palette, and I've worn this so many times. I'm so glad they reminded me of this. I love this palette. I think all the looks I make, they might look kind of similar, but they all just like the colors blend together so well. It makes such a good look. I love the color story. I'm really into like the mauvey pinks these days. I actually left this in a basket because I want to feature it in a favorites video. Like that's how much I like this. So I'm really excited for everyone to get it. Again, I already had it, but it's fine with me. You know, I get a lot of boxes. I have a lot of makeup, but I'm glad this was in the box so many people could experience it because it's IBY is affordable and I think they are great. So I'm really glad this came in the box so I could rediscover it. Definitely recommend this palette, and I think this is definitely the standout besides like the skincare items in the box. So yeah, last month overall was good. I'm trying to be more like declutter, like if I don't like things, that's why I'm doing these reviews more, and so I can give you guys more information. But I like all these things, I'm gonna keep them and I'm gonna keep using them. So yeah, that is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am so happy with this box. I'm glad I opened it today. And I don't even mind that it came late, I understand. And they say they keep, you know, they're telling us they're working on their issues, so I'm really glad that the box is open with their subscribers and it doesn't have anything too sketchy going on, you know, like some boxes these days. I'm not going to get all into that, but you know what I mean if you're in this subscription box world like I am. But that is everything. You guys leave your thoughts down below. What do you think of this box? I think it was great. I'd love to hear your thoughts as well. And yeah, thank you for being here and unboxing with me. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.